buggy be my best friend.
Who can I trust? Who can I trust?
What's up, YouTube, man? I'm coming at y'all with a banger, man. You can see by the title, man. I had to get this thing some noise, man. The thing crazy loud right now, man. You see it. I ain't got no footage from the muffler shop. My brother got it did yesterday while I was at work. But I think I like it. Y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think. Give y'all a little cold start real quick. Let me wander down last night. Oh, they didn't get in there. I go get me some food real quick. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the cold start. Yeah, like I said, man, I had to get some noise to this thing, man. This thing was too quiet. Like I said, I kind of like it. I like it a lot. It ain't too loud, but it sounds a lot better.
Phone book update failed.
I'll get some food. Hope I don't wake everybody up right now, man. But yeah, I ain't really drove that much since I got it did, but I got it did yesterday. Like I said, I didn't go to the muffler shop, but my brother took while I was at work, so I'm pretty sure he broke it in. He should send me a couple Snapchats, you know. But what's up with y'all, man? What y'all got going on, man? 9 o'clock in the morning. Go and get me some food, man. What y'all been up to? I've been gone for a little minute, man. Coronavirus and all that had me down. I got a lot of it's like the corona actually gave me a chance to think of like I need to read like what I want to do with my channel. And I need to get the goddamn camera to stay up. Yeah, like I said, thinking about taking a different route. With my channel. I wanna vlog more so y'all can see like what I do on a day-to-day basis. You know, I kinda like gonna change around. I'm not really gonna do too many like public interviews and all that no more. Y'all, I'm still gonna do pranks and all that. But I want to do more vlogs, and I'm finna yeah, like I said, I want to do more vlogs, post my car more, like upgrade. A lot of y'all was in my inbox on Instagram, Twitter, asked me about my car, what kind of car I got, and all that. So I'm in the process of modding it up now, doing different mods to it. So I like, well, maybe I just get them, take them along, record the journey of me heading on. Like I got a lot of stuff in works right now. You know, like y'all seen the video I just posted. Yeah, I just dropped that video Monday. Make sure y'all go check that out. Run the lights up on that. Run the lights up on that. Yeah, posting more videos. I meet up with the car club. Trying to post more videos, like 2 or 3 videos a week. I really don't want to post. Like I said, I'm getting away from all like the public interviews and all that. Like too many people doing stuff like that, and like I don't want to be doing what everybody else doing. Like I'm gonna do pranks, but it's not got like, as far as me, like, and then with the coronavirus, I don't want to be in too many people's face. I don't want to catch that corona, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna do more videos with my girl. We're gonna do more relationship videos. If you follow me on social media, you got the news already. I got a baby on the way, so I'm gonna post vlogs on that, and all that. Yeah, pretty much. So like, but yeah, back on topic. Got my mufflers delete. That's all. That's mufflers delete. I ain't getting anything that's done right now. I'm ride this. See how I like this. Man, I said that cold start. I kind of like that. I like the cold start. It was kind of insane. It's a little loud, but yeah, cold start a little loud. I'll probably later on I meet up with one of the bros. I'm gonna get more footage of that. Probably some robots, yeah, I'm gonna get all that footage later. But it sounds good. Just stay tuned. Let y'all hear what it sound like inside the car. Take out long on the process of me modding my car up. I got a couple mods on it right now. Comment below if you think I should do a video of the mods I got on my car right now, so y'all be caught up on what I've done to my car so far. And comment below what mod you think I should do next. I got one mod. I'm waiting for the stuff to get here now. It's gonna be y'all make sure y'all gonna love that video right now. I'm gonna try to do it myself. Hopefully, I don't mess up. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to do that. But like, that's another thing with my car. A lot of the mods I do them myself. Except for there's only 2 mods on my car that I didn't do myself. Is the hood wrap on my car, and the hood wrap on my car, and the muffler delete. Everything else you're gonna see in the video I post. Everything else I did myself. But I'm finna get this food. I'm gonna talk to y'all later.